So here's the playground. I'm getting closer to it. This is the park, seen from Beverly. This is a Beverly. The little street here. There are kids playing. And look at this. This is our pond or lake, whatever. I'm thinking that maybe I'm the only concerned person about being flooded. That's because we are not from here, we are from Virginia, maybe. I don't know. But people seem quite relaxed. They just enjoy what they are doing. And I can see from here some teenagers inside the water. Yeah, okay, I don't know if they're going to swim or what, but right now they're playing, enjoying the water. There they are. The birds are enjoying. They really are. Oh my God, they are swimming. No kidding. They are swimming. Oh my God. Oh, well, walking and swimming. Oh my God, look at that. Hello? I don't think they heard me. They're too involved. Well, one thing is for sure, you can't get around here. And it's clean. Alright, now, right in front of you, that's our home. Okay, the gate, right there in front of you. That's our home. So I'm going to walk all the way there so I could show you how close the water is to, well, you can see it from here actually. How close it is to our fence. Actually, it's lower. It is raining, that's encouraging. Because an hour ago was kind of different. So maybe you got lucky. Now they climb the trees. Okay. I'm going down Beverly to Emerson. Going home. Look at the sky. Well, still overcast, but a little bit better. It's changing with every minute or so. Yeah. getting closer to our home. And there are some dog lovers walking their dog on the strip that's semi-dry by our property, as you can see that right there in front of you. Yeah, hi Tootie Tootie. Now those little dogs can really drown, or they can swim. Yeah, they're going back. Okay, so as you can see from this point here, this is our home, this is our property right there, the wall, and that's all we get of dry land is this one. Is this wide enough for us not to be flooded? I don't know, but I do notice that it's moving. The level of the water is lower. It's draining, absolutely it's draining, which is fantastically good. This is a sewage right there, and the girls are out. They're still swimming. Going back home. This is how our corner looks after the rain. All the debris and the mud. This was perfectly clean yesterday. You won't tell today. Going around the corner, this is our fence right there. So the streets are dry. So the sewage system is really good here. They just worked on the streets for the past 3 weeks or so. So that should help. And this is our court. And this right here is our home. So you can see the front of the house here with our front yard.